Welcome back to Two Way Radio Center. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up the ICOM IP1100CV controller. Once you have all the equipment unpacked from the box, disconnect your PC from your network before you connect to the controller. Connect the LAN cable, category 5E or higher, to your PC. Then connect the power adapter, which you purchased separately, and the LAN cable to your controller. Connect the power adapter to an outlet and then turn on your PC. Set a static IP address to your PC to access the controller. The default address for the controller is 192.168.0.1 and the DHCP server set to disable. Now, how to access the settings screen via a web browser on the PC. Microsoft Edge is the recommended web browser, and you need to enable JavaScript and set to accept cookies to correctly display the settings screen. Enter the IP address of the controller into the address bar of your web browser and then press the Enter key. Enter a password and then confirm that password and then click Apply. Enter the username admin, which is the fixed username, and the password that you previously set up, and then click Sign In. Once you have reached the settings screen, you have successfully completed the setup of the controller. Thank you so much for watching, and please check us out at our website at twowayRadiocenter.com.